Hello guys, good day. Magandang araw. Today we are going to tackle the lesson, the union of two events, the union of A and B. So, bago natin puntahan yung the union of two events, meron tayong dalawang subtopics, which is the sample space and the simple probability. Ano nga ba ang sample space? It is the entire set of outcomes that a statistical experiment has. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, ang kabuoang bilang na mayroon sa isang event or ang kabuoang bilang na maaaring lumabas o mangyari. So, tulad nito, meron tayo isang 6-sided die. Ang total outcomes niya ay 6. Pwede ka makakuha ng 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. So, ayun. Para mas maintindihan natin, tignan pa natin tong isa pang example. Makikita natin na may dalawang 6-sided die. Kung may dalawa tayong 6-sided dice, ano kaya magiging total number of outcomes? Ang magiging total number of outcomes nito ay 36. Kasi sa isang 6-sided die, meron 6 possible outcomes. When you multiply 6 by 6, you get 36. So 36 ang ating total possible outcomes. Para mas maintindihan natin, ito yung 36 possible outcomes na nakuha natin dun sa 6 times 6. Or, ito yung makukuha natin 36 possible outcomes dun sa dalawang dice. Sunod ay ang simple probability. It is the chance that an event will occur. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, ito yung posibilidad na mangyari ang isang event. Para makuha mo yung simple probability, kunin mo lang yung number of favorable outcomes at number of possible outcomes. Tignan natin tong isang halimbawa para madali nating maintindihan. So, meron tayong dalawang dice ulit at gusto nating makita kung ano ang probability na makakuha ng dalawang 4. Sundan lang natin to. Number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. So, magiging number of favorable outcomes natin ay 1 lang. Kasi, iisa lang naman yung hinahanap nating outcome, which is yung dalawang 4. Yung number of possible outcomes ay 36 kasi yung number of total outcomes ng dalawang dice ay 36. Ito siya. Para mas maintindihan natin, tignan natin to. Pwede rin natin tong gawin. I-visualize natin yung 36 possible outcomes ng dalawang 6-sided dice. Tapos, i-cancel out natin o ihiwalay natin yung gusto nating maging favorable outcome o yung gusto nating makitang event. So, ang favorable outcome natin ay 4 ay ang dalawang 4, which is equal to 1 kasi isang outcome lang siya, over the 36 different possible outcomes. So, gumamit pa tayo ng isa pang halimbawa para mas maintindihan pa natin lalo. What is the probability of getting one even number and one odd number? Gamitin ulit natin to. The number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. So, para mas madali natin gawin to, tignan natin tong table. Kinancel out ko lahat ng may 1 even tsaka 1 odd number. Kung i-add natin lahat ng mga events na kinancel out ko, makukuha natin ay 11, ay 18, Tapos, kapag i-add natin lahat ng possible outcomes, makukuha natin ay 36. Kaya naging 18/36 yung sagot natin dito. Kasi 18 yung number of favorable outcomes natin, which is yung probability of getting one even and one odd number. Tapos 36 yung number of possible outcomes natin dahil yun yung total outcomes ng dalawang six-sided dice. Isa pang paraan para mag-answer ng simple probability is to use the independent events formula, which is the probability of event A and B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. Ito yun. Subukan natin sagutan tong halimbawa. So, what is the probability of getting 2 ones? So, alam naman natin na yung probability na makakuha ng isang 1 sa isang die ay 1/6. Dahil ang favorable outcome natin ay isa lang, which is yung 1, or tapos yung total number of outcomes natin ay 6. So ang sagot natin doon ay 1/6. Para makuha natin tong probability to get 2 ones, i-multiply lang natin yung 1/6 sa 1/6 para makuha natin yung 1/36. Kasi ang number of favorable outcomes natin ay isa lang, which is yung 2 ones over dun sa 36 possible outcomes ng dalawang dice. Para mas maintindihan natin, tignan natin ulit yung table. So, kinancel out ko yung favorable outcome natin, which is yung 2 ones. Tapos, binilang ko lang lahat ng total ng possible outcomes, which is 36. Kaya naging 1/36 yung sagot. Dito na tayo sa mas intermediate difficulty na question. What is the probability of getting 2 odd numbers and at least 1 5? So, para masagutan to, gagamit tayo na iba pang paraan. Hindi natin pwede gamitin dito yung independent events formula kasi hindi magiging tama yung sagot. Try natin yung unang formula. So, gawin muna natin, i-cancel out muna natin lahat ng 2 odd numbers. Yung mga nakapula, yan yung mga kinancel out ko na 2 odd numbers. Tapos, yung mga naka-asul, yun naman, yung getting at least 1 5. Yung mga naka-yellow naman, or mga naka-dilaw, yan yung mga nag-overlap na events. Ang tawag dyan sa overlapping events ay ang the intersection of events. Yan yung mahalaga dahil ayan yung magiging sagot sa ating question na kinakaharap, which is yung what is the probability of getting 2 odd numbers and at least 1 5. Dahil 5 yung intersection of events natin, yan ang sagot doon sa question na ating nahanap. So, bale 5/36 kasi 5 yung intersection of events tapos 36 yung possible outcomes. Dito na tayo sa main lesson, which is yung union of events. Calculate for either events occurring. Gagamitin nating formula para makuha ito is the union of A and B is equal to probability of event A plus the probability of event B minus the probability of events A and B. B. You can identify that the question you are answering is the union of events if that question includes the word or. So malalaman daw natin na yung sinasagutan natin ay union of events kapag may kasamang salitang or. Para mas magets natin, tignan natin tong susunod na halimbawa. So, what is the probability of getting two odd numbers or at least 1/5? Alam na natin union of events to kasi nakita natin may salitang or dito sa question. So, una nating hahanapin ay yung probability of event A, which is yung probability of getting two odd numbers. So, makikita natin dito sa table na kinancel out ko lahat na makukuha nating may two odd numbers. Kapag in-add natin lahat ng may two odd numbers, makukuha natin ay 9. Tapos, kukunin lang natin lahat ng total number of possible outcomes, which is 36. Kaya natin nakuha yung probability of two odd numbers is 9/36. Sunod naman natin kukunin ang probability of event B, which is probability of getting at least 1/5. Okay. Ngayon naman, kinancel ko lahat ng may events na makakuha tayo ng isang 5. Pag in-add natin yan lahat, makakakuha tayo ng number 11. Tapos, i-add lang ulit natin lahat ng total number of outcomes, which is 36. Kaya natin nakuha yung sagot dito sa probability of getting at least 1/5 is 11/36. So ngayon, kompleto na natin itong dalawa sa equation. Kailangan na lang natin yung probability of A and B. So, para makuha yun, babalik tayo dun sa unang question. So, the probability of getting two odd numbers and at least 1/5. Kasi, yung probability of A natin kanina at yung probability of B natin, yung pinagsama, ito yung magiging sagot, 5/36. Katulad nga na sinabi ko kanina, dahil dun sa dalawang events, may nag-overlap sa kanila na nag-occur. Yung intersection of events, yun yung magiging sagot natin dun sa question. Sa panghuling number na kailangan natin doon sa equation, which is 5/36. Dahil 5 yung intersection of events, tapos 36 yung total number of outcomes. Ayan, dahil kompleto na, sagutin na natin. Kapag nasagutan na natin tong tatlong nasa equation, ang magiging sagot nito ay 15/36 or 0.4167 or 0.42 kapag na-round up. Yun lang guys, hanggang sa muli, paalam.